Yeah, I'm Brian Knight, company's Knight Farm Machinery, and I've been doing this job for about 40 years now, so I know the sprayer industry quite well. We manufacture quite a lot of sprayers, sell them mainly in the UK, but also around the world. Yeah, that's me. The industry at the moment is going through a little bit of a tough time because of the wet weather. The wet weather's not been kind to our agricultural industry at all. A lot of farmers have not managed to achieve their winter drilling program and are looking to a lot more spring cereals this year. So yeah, it's a difficult time for the agricultural industry at the moment, no doubt about it. But going forward, we've seen it before. As I say, I've been doing it 40 years now, so we've seen it before. And Knight as a company, we like to feel that we're flexible and we look to help customers, and we usually can come up with special designs or special programs to suit changing circumstances of the industry as the years go by. Well, 20 and 20 and beyond, it's always easy to get excited about new innovations. We're an innovative company, so we're always trying to think up new ideas, and we've got one or two new programs coming through in 2020, more and more technology based these days, advanced control systems, fill systems, rinsing systems, application systems. So yeah, a lot of interesting things coming from Knight in the next year. I think the biggest concern for 2020 is the difficult time that agriculture is going through. Because we're mainly UK focused and UK is where the problem is, it makes it a little bit worrying. So it's a challenge to make sure that we accommodate all our customers. But then, if we've got an export market, making full advantage of the export market is very, very important to us. Well, that's one of the things. The export side of things is one of the areas where the AEA have been particularly helpful for us. We have a UK manufacturers meeting at the AEA, which is quite useful, and they do help us quite a lot with export. AEA is also very good. It's the most important part of the AEA for us, I would say, is the control of standards and our ability to contribute to international standards and legislation, and understanding where the industry is going and what we have to do moving forward. Attracting the next generation is something that I've spent a lot of time trying to do. It's quite difficult to know what it is that drives young people and what direction they're going. Agriculture has probably not been one of the industries that young people would naturally say that they would want to get into. The world seems to have gone IT mad and desk job mad. In my opinion, as the years move forward, the guy that can work with his hands will be of great value to this industry. And getting that message across is what we need to do. We need to move forward to explaining to people just how high-tech agriculture is, and you can blend the high-tech, the computer side of things, with a strong practical background that will always be of value as the technology changes.
Thank you very much. That's brilliant.
Okay.